Good afternoon, students, and we'll continue the class. So we discussed multiplication of polynomials, and after that today we are going to discuss division of a polynomial by a monomial. So let's take an example here. All of you try this question. Divide 16x cubed plus 12x squared plus 8x by 4x. Try this question, all of you. Anyone want to answer this? Can raise a hand. Miss Aryan, you want to answer this? Aryan?
Sir.
Yes, Aryan, you want to answer this?
Sir, should we copy this or you want to give time?
Aryan, you are not audible to me.
Sir, copy this now or you will give time later.
Shanai?
Sir?
Yes, Shanai,
Sir,
you can answer. Come again?
Sir, can I zoom the question?
Is it fine, Shanai?
Sir, can I zoom? Sir, not sir.
Yes.
Sir, I'm trying.
Okay. Okay, let me explain this question. So we know distributive property of multiplication over addition. So similarly, division also distributive property satisfies over addition as well as subtraction. Shanai, mute yourself.
Sir?
16x cubed plus 12x square plus 8x. We want to divide it by 4x. So apply the distributive property. You can distribute the denominator to every part of the numerator, every term of the numerator. 16x cubed by 4x plus 12x
Sir,
square
plus
by
12.
3x plus 8x by 4x. Shana, you can mute yourself. Now let us cancel the constant first. 4 ones, 4 fours, and x square will remain because x into x square is x cube. 4 threes are 12. With x into x is x square. 4 twos are 8, x cancels. And the answer is 4x square plus 3x plus 2. This is the answer. Next, we discuss about the new concept called equation. What is equation? Equation means it is an open sentence containing at least one variable open sentence containing at least one variable, that is called equation. For example, I have x plus 4 is equal to 5. I want to check whether this is an equation or not. Uh, yes, students, there was a power cut. I just connected back. Okay, an open sentence containing at least one variable, that is called equation. I want to check x plus 4 is equal to 5 is an equation or not. So first of all, what is open sentence? For some values of variables, it should be true, and for some values of variable, it should be false. That means both true should be possible and false should be possible. True. When is this equation true? It is true at x is equal to 1, because if you substitute 1 in place of x, 1 plus 4 is equal to 5 is true. False. Other than 1, you take any number. If I take x is equal to 2, it's going to become false. If I take minus 1, false. 0, false. 1 by 2, false. At every value other than 1, it is going to be false. That means both true is possible and false is possible. So it is called open sentence. And it is containing one variable. What is that variable here? X. Such type of things are called equations. Okay, now let us discuss a type of equation called linear equation. What is linear equation? Linear equation means linear equation. So what is linear equation? It is an equation. It is an equation having degree 1. Degree means we know already the maximum power of the variables present in the equation cannot be more than 1. Okay, let's take an example. So the example what we took earlier, that is x plus 4 is equal to y. It is a linear 5. It is a linear equation because the degree for x is 1 here and maximum degree is 1. If I take x square plus, if I take x square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. This is an equation, but it is not the linear equation. Why? Because the degree should be 1, then only it is called linear equation. If I have, let's say 3x plus 2y plus 1 is equal to 0. This is also a linear equation. For this variable, power is 1. For this variable also, power is 1. One more type of equation, which is called simple equation. What is simple equation? For linear equation, there is only one condition. Degree should be 1. But for simple equation, there are two conditions. That means it should be linear and it should have only one variable. So simple equation means it is a linear equation It is a linear equation having only one variable. Only one variable should be present, then only it is called simple equation. See, for example, we took x minus 2 is equal to 3. Okay, is this a simple equation or not? First of all, you check this is a linear equation or not. Yes, this is a linear equation because the degree is 1. Maximum power of the variable is 1. And is this having only one variable? Yes, this is having only one variable, that is x. So this can be called a simple equation. Now, how to solve a simple equation? So before solving simple equation, any doubts in these three types, you can ask me the doubt. Vishnu, any doubts? Vishnu, have any doubts?
Sir, what is the meaning of open?
Vishnu?
Open.
Vishnu, you are not audible.
Sir, you are audible. Hello. So, what is the meaning of open sentence?
Open sentence means it should be true for some values of x and it should be false for some values of x. For example, let me take 2 into x minus 2 is equal to 2x minus 4. If you take this, this is not an equation, it is an identity. Why? Because you take any value in place of x, this is always true. False is never possible. That's why this is called identity, not equation. Vishnu, can you tell me one value of x where this becomes false?
Sir, which?
This 2 of minus 2 is equal to 2x minus 4. I want it to become false. Can you tell me one value of x?
Sir, I don't have any value that is.
It's never possible. You substitute 2 in place of x, 0 equal to 0. You substitute 3. 2 into 3 minus 2 is equal to 2 into 3 minus 4 equal to 2. True. Not only 3, in place of x you took any value, then you get it is true. That means it is not an equation, it become identity. So understood, Vishnu, what is equation? It should be true for some values of x and it should be false for some other values of x. Aryan, what's your doubt?
Sir,
Yes, Aryan.
sir, in linear equation, what do you mean by degree?
Maximum degree should be 1. That means the variables should not have more than 1 degree, 1 power. Mayuk, what's your doubt? Mayuk?
Sir, I cannot understand linear equation.
Linear equation means maximum power should be 1 for any variable. So you take the first one, x plus 4 is equal to 5. What is the power of x?
Yes, sir.
1. So it is not
Yes,
more
sir.
than 1, right?
Yes, sir.
Because it is not more than 1, that is called linear equation. But you take the second example, x square minus 5x plus 6. Here it is 2, the power. It is greater than 1, right?
Yes, sir.
Should not be greater than 1. It should be equal to 1. Then we call it linear equation. Harshvardhan, doubt?
Sir,
Yes.
sir, in linear equation, we want to check the power of one in constants or variables. Sir,
You take any variable. If the variable power maximum is 1, then it is called linear equation.
sir, I'm asking that we want to check it for constants or variables.
Not constants, only variables.
Yes, sir.
Sanvi? Sanvi, any doubts?
Sir, once again explain simple equation.
Simple equation means there are two conditions. First one is it should be linear equation and it should have only one variable. So you take this example, x minus 2 is equal to 3. What is the degree of this equation, Sanvi?
Sir,
What is the degree of this equation? X minus 2 is equal to 3. What do you mean by degree? The highest power of the variable, right?
Yes,
So here
sir.
there is only one variable x. If there is no power, what is understood?
Sir, X
1.
is
If there is no power, 1 is understood, right?
yes, sir.
So because the maximum power is 1, it is called linear equation. And is it having only one variable?
Yes, sir.
That's why it is called simple equation. Let's take another example. So this is simple equation. X minus 2 is equal to 3. If I take 2x plus 3y is equal to 4. Sanvi, do you think this is a simple equation or not?
Sir, no.
Why no? It's having maximum power of the variable is 1 only, For x also 1, for y also 1. But why it is not a simple equation?
Okay, sir.
There is another condition that it can have only one variable, but there are two variables, no?
Yes, sir.
That's why it is not a simple equation. You understood what is simple equation now?
Yes, sir.
What are the conditions? It should be linear. That means maximum degree should be 1 and it should have only one variable. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Bhuvana, doubt?
Sir,
Bhuvana? Yes, Bhuvana?
sir, can you explain linear equation third example?
Linear equation third example, you see here. That is, I took 3x plus 2y plus 1 is equal to 0, right?
Yes, sir.
For x, there is no power. What is understood? If there is no power, which power is understood? 1, right?
Yes, sir.
If there is no power 5, y, what is understood?
1, sir.
That means in this equation, the power of the variable is not greater than 1. Maximum it is having only 1, right?
Yes, sir.
Maximum power is 1. That means it is a linear equation. Is it clear?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now we will continue. How to solve the simple equation? So to solve the simple equation, we can use a method called transposition. So what is transposition? See, let's take this first example. X minus 2 is equal to 3. I want to find the value of x where this becomes true. So you remember one thing. So equal to sign left side, we call it LHS, and right side of the equal to sign we call RHS. Left hand side and right hand side. So when you transpose the operations, addition becomes subtraction, subtraction become addition, multiplication become division, and division become multiplication. Here I want to make x as a lone term to the left side. That means I have to send minus 2 to the right side. So minus 2, that means subtracting 2. If you transpose to the right side, it will become addition because subtraction becomes addition on transposing. So you get x is equal to 3 plus 2. So what is 3 plus 2? 5. That means x value is 5. So this is called the solution of the equation. Which equation? For x minus 2 is equal to 3, the solution is x is equal to 5. What does it mean? In place of x, if you use 5, like 5 minus 2 is equal to 3, it will be balanced. LSS is 3, RHS also 3. So that's why this x is equal to 5 is called the solution of the equation. Let's take another example. That is x plus 9 is equal to 12. I want to find the value of x. Plus 9, if you transpose, it will become minus 9. So you can write x is equal to 12 minus 9. It's going to be 3. So x is equal to 3. So this is the way we are going to solve the simple equation. This is called transposing method or transposition. Let's take some other examples. So all of you try to solve this question. Simple equation I'm giving. Solve. Solve this equation, all of you. Solve for x. 5x minus 6 is equal to 9. Mayuk, can you answer this question?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
The 6 plus 9. So we have to transpose minus 6.
Yes, first let me write the equation. 5x minus 6 is equal to 9. So if you transpose minus 6 on the right side, what will happen?
The plus 6.
So we can write 5x is equal to 9 plus 6. But what is 9 plus 6, Mayuk?
The 15.
15. Now, what is the relation between this 5 and x? Which operation?
So division.
Multiplication first. 5 is multiplying x, right?
Yes, sir.
When you transpose 5 to the right side, it will become,
Division.
so x is equal to 15 divided by 5. What is 15 divided by 5?
Sir, 3.
5 ones, 5 threes. Answer is 3. So this is the solution of the equation. Okay.
Okay.
Very good, Mike. You can mute yourself. I'm giving one more question. All of you, try this. All of you try to solve this. 3x by 2 plus x by 3 is equal to x plus x by 6 plus 6. Who will say the answer for this? Who will answer this question? Okay, I'm explaining this question. Okay, I'm writing the equation again. 3x plus 2 plus x by 3 is equal to x plus x by 6 plus 6. Now what I do is, I see the denominator 2, denominator 1, and there is no denominator for x. If there is no denominator, we can use 1, and for this 6 also we can use 1. Now if you look at the denominators 2, 3, 1, 6, 1, I don't want to have denominators so that I can add easily. So find the LCM of the denominators. 2, 3, 6, the LCM you should find. So 2, 3, 6. No need to find the LCM because we know the property. 6 is the multiple of 3 and 6 is the multiple of 2. So if a single number is multiple of all the other numbers, LCM will become that number only, that is 6. So I want to make all the denominators to 6. So what I do is, this one I can multiply by 3 and numerator also 3. 3 into 2, x into 2. 1 into 6, this into 6. 6 is already 6, no need to multiply by any number. If you want, you can write into 1 into 1. So 1 I want to make it 6 into 6 into 6. Now we can simplify this. 3x into 3 is 9x by 6 plus 2x by 6 is equal to 6x by 6 plus x by 6 plus 36 by 6. Now what I do is, I'm transposing these two terms to the left side. I told you already positive becomes negative on transposition. So I can write 9x by 6 plus 2x by 6 minus 6x by 6 minus x by 6 is equal to 36 by 6. Now what I do, now these are like fractions. We can add 9x plus 2x is 11x. 11x minus 6x is 5x. 5x minus x is 4x. So you got 4x by 6 is equal to 36 divided by 6. So both sides we have denominator 6. We can cancel them. And we got the answer 4x is equal to 36. Now 4 is multiplying. If you transpose it will divide. So we can write x is equal to 36 divided by 4. 4 ones, 4 nines. So the value of x is 9. So the solution of this equation is 9. So when you substitute 9 in place of x in the question, LHS and RHS both will give you same answers. So this is the way we are going to solve. All of you try the next question. The sum of two consecutive odd numbers is 164. Find the numbers. You know what do you mean by consecutive odd numbers? They come one after the other. Like 1 and 3 are consecutive, 3 and 5 are consecutive, 5 and 7 are consecutive, like that. You take any two consecutive numbers, the sum should be 164. What are the numbers you should find? Who will answer this? Sahasra, can you answer this question?
Sir?
Where is Sahasra?
Sir, no, sir. I want.
Abhiday?
Sir.
Abhiday, you want to answer this question?
Yes, sir.
Yes, can you read the question again?
The sum of two consecutive odd numbers is 164. And the numbers.
Okay, you don't know what are the odd numbers. How can you consider the odd numbers now?
Sir, x plus 2.
Very good. You are taking the first odd number as x. And how to get a next odd number? The difference between two consecutive odd numbers is always 2. If one odd number you call it x, the second odd number will become x plus 2. And they said sum of these two is equal to how much?
Sir, 164.
Yes. Now you can add x and x. What is x plus x?
Sir, 2x.
Yes. 2x plus 2 is equal to 164. Which type of equation we call this, Abhiday?
Sir?
Which type of equation we call this? Is it a simple equation? Just now we discussed today's class only, simple equation. What does it mean? Simple equation means it is linear. Is this equation linear or not?
Sir, my internet connection is not proper, sir. I will just enjoy now only.
Okay, let me explain again. It is a simple equation. Why? Because the maximum degree of the power is 1 and there is only one variable. So we can call it simple equation, right?
Yes.
Yes. How to solve this equation, Abhiday?
Sir, we can transfer plus to the other side.
Yes, plus 2 becomes minus 2. Addition becomes subtraction on the transposition. So 2x is equal to 162. Now, how to find the value of x?
Sir, we can transpose the 2 to other side.
So multiplication become?
Division.
So 2 8s are 61 and 1, that is 81. That means first odd number is 81. What is the second odd number?
Sir, 83.
Yes, 81 plus 2 is going to be 83. Now let us check it is correct or not. 81 and 83 are consecutive odd numbers or not?
Yes, sir.
And their sum is 164 or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, this is the answer. Very good, Abhiday. You can mute yourself. All of you try one more question. Is all of you try this? The present age of a person is 1/3 of the present age of his father. If the sum of their ages is 60 years, then find the age of the son. The present age of a person is 1/3 of the present age of the father. If the sum of ages is 60 years, find the age of the son. Who will solve this? Yes, Samshuman, can you give the answer? Samshuman.
Sir?
Yes.
Sir, I got the answer, sir.
Okay, how to write the equation first? Tell me.
Sir, person age is 1/3 of the father's age. Means
Yes.
for person's age is X and
Let us say the person age is X. Then what is the father's age?
1/3 1/3 of his father's age, sir.
No, if you call the son's age is X, what will be the father's age?
Sir, 3x.
Yes, because we want X to be 1/3 of something. X is 1/3 of what? 3x. So you can call the son's age is X, the father's age will become 3x because father's age should be triple the son's age. Son age is 1/3 of father's age is same as father's age is 3 times the son's age. Okay, now sum is given 60. So how can we write the equation?
3x plus x is equals to 60, sir.
Yes, what is x plus 3x?
60. Sir, 4x.
4x is equal to 60. Amshuman, is this a simple equation or not?
Sir?
Is this a simple equation or not? 4x is equal to 60.
Sir, yes.
Yes. How to find the value of x?
Sir, sir, 4 is multiplying, sir. Transpose it will divide.
Yes, 60 divided by 4. What is 60 by 4 answer?
Sir, 15.
4 ones are 4, 2 is remaining, 2 0. 4 fives are 20, that is 15. So sun's age is 15. Let us say this is method number 1. Okay. So method number 2. Amshuman, I can call the father's age also x. Okay, don't take x, you may get confused. Let's take another variable. I'm taking y. Father's age I am calling y. Then what will be the son's age?
Sir, y by 3.
Yes, y plus y by 3 is equal to 60. Now I want to simplify this. What we can do?
Sir, 4 by 3 of y is equals to 60, sir.
So y there is no denominator. We can write 1.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, the answer what you said also correct. 1 3. What is LCM?
Sir, 3.
How can I make the denominator 3 here? Can I multiply by 3 numerator and denominator?
Yes, sir.
So what is the next equation we get? 3y by 3.
3.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Plus y by 3 is
By
equal to 60. Now they became like fractions. We can add now.
Yes, sir.
4y by 3 is equal to 60. Now I want the value of y.
Sir, transpose 4 by 3, sir.
4 by 3. When a fraction is transposed, it becomes reciprocal. So 4 by 3 will become 3 by 4. Now we can do cuttings. 4 15s are 60, 15 3s are 45. But this 45 is father's age. Why? Because we called father's age is y. But they're asking son's age. Son's age is y by 3. That means 45 divided by 3. Again, we got the same answer 15. So any method you can do. But I suggest the first method because it saves time. Okay, Amshuman, you can mute yourself good. And next. Okay, let's try algebra previous year questions. From simple equations, you got this question in 2019 exam. All of you can try this. From simple equations, you got this question in 2019 exam. One number exceeds another number by 36. The sum of the numbers is 48. Then the numbers are. Will answer this question. Sahasra, can you answer this? Sahasra.
Sir?
Yes, Sahasra, can you answer this question?
Sir, no, sir.
Okay, try this question. Mayuk, can you answer this? Mayuk?
Sir?
Yes, Mayuk, can you answer this question?
Yes, sir.
One number exceeds another number by 36. Sum of the numbers is 48. But then what are the numbers?
Sir, x minus.
Okay, x minus?
Minus y equal to 36.
X minus?
Y equal to 36.
Okay.
Then x plus y equal to 48.
Okay, so let's say this is method number 1. So in method number 1, Mayuk is taking the two numbers as x and y. So one number exceeds another number by 36. That means x is greater than y by 36. And sum is 48. Okay. Mayuk, I want both the numbers x and y. How can we solve this? So this type of equations I told you already how to solve. So you can add the equations to cancel one variable, right? Can you add the equations now?
Yes, sir.
Plus x becomes?
Sir, 2x.
And minus y plus y are going to cancel, right?
Yes, sir.
What is 36 plus 48?
Sir, 84.
84. So 2x is equal to 84. Is this a simple equation? Yes, Mayuk?
Yes, sir.
How to solve for x?
Sir, 2 is multiplying. Transpose it divide.
So 84 divided by 2. What is the answer?
Sir, 40. Sir,
2
40.
2 2s are 4. It is 42. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So once you get the value of x, finding y is very simple. You take any equation. I'm taking first equation and substitute x value here. X we got 42. Now I want the value of y. I'm transposing y right and 36 left. So it becomes minus y becomes plus y. 42 minus 36. So we got y value is 6. So the numbers are 36. I'm sorry. The numbers are 42 and 6. So check 42 is exceeding 6 by 36 or not? Yes. And some of the numbers is 48 or not? Yes. So the numbers are 42 and 6. The answer is C. Mike, you know any other method to solve this question? Mike, you know any other method to solve this question?
No.
Okay. Can anyone say the other method for solving this question? Harshvardhan? Yes, Harshvardhan.
Sir,
You know any other method to solve this?
sir, I have doubt in that sir, why you added x and why you cancelled y?
Why? Because plus 5 minus 5 are going to cancel now.
Sir,
Suppose
plus
you
y.
started on the number line from 0. You moved 4 steps right and from there you moved 4 steps left. Again you reach 0 or not?
4 steps right, 4 steps left. Yes, sir.
First, starting from 0, you moved 4 steps right. You reached plus 4. From there you moved 4 steps right. Again you reach 0 or not?
Yes.
That's why plus 5 minus 5 also get
Yes, sir.
cancelled. Okay, let me explain the second
Sir?
method. Yes.
Sir?
Yes.
Sir?
Aryan, you know the second method? I told you shortcut. Yes, Aryan. Shalay, you remember any shortcut?
Sir,
Yes.
sir, today which subject you will tell?
Okay, the shortcut is, see, whenever sum of the numbers and difference of the numbers is given, we can find the numbers. There is a shortcut for this. That is, see, whatever sum you are getting and difference you are getting, add them by 2, subtract them by 2. That means half of the sum and half of the difference will be your answer directly. So 48 plus 36 is 84 and by 2 is 42. 48 minus 36 is 12. 12 by 2 is 6. So like this we can do. So half of the sum and half of the difference will be the required numbers. So this is about simple equations. And now some special products we discussed. So before we solve the examples, let us revise all the special products once again. So how to multiply the polynomials we discussed already. Using multiplication of polynomial rules, we can find all this. That is a plus b whole square. You can remember a square plus b square plus 2ab. A minus b whole square will be a square plus b square minus 2ab. A plus b multiplied by a minus b. You're going to get a square minus b square. A plus b plus c whole square. A square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. a plus b whole cube is going to be a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. Or you can also say by expanding a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3a b square. A minus b whole cube. We can write a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. So we can write this a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Now the factorization of a cube plus b cube. So a plus b multiplied by a square plus ab plus b square. And the factorization of a cube minus b cube is a minus b into a square. So here you are going to get a minus sign here. This one will be minus. A cube minus b cube is a minus b multiplied by a square plus ab plus b square. So these are the special products. You must remember, using them we can solve the questions. So while you are going through the recorded lecture again, you can make a note of them and remember. Next question we are going to solve. This question is from 2020 exam. So 106 into 106 minus 94 into 94. All of you solve this. Amshuman, which formula we can use this to solve this?
Sir?
Yes.
Sir, we can use a square minus b square, sir.
Yes, 106 if you call a. So 106 into 106 is going to become 106 square. 94 into 94 is becoming 94 square. So what is 106 square minus 94 square? You want to simplify. If you do it 106 square and 94 square separately and subtract, you get the answer. But more than that, there is one easy method, that a square minus b square factorization. What is the factorization, Amshuman?
Sir?
What is the factorization of a square minus b square?
Sir, a plus b into a minus b, sir.
So 106 plus 94 multiplied by 106 minus 94. Okay, what is the first term simplifies to?
Sir?
106 plus 94.
Sir, 200.
200 multiplied by 106 minus 94.
Sir, 12.
So now this became very easy. 12 twos are 24 and adding 2 zeros at the end. Which option, Amshuma?
Sir, option A.
Very good. So this is the identity a square minus b square. A plus b of a minus b. Special products will take more examples later. Now linear equations in two variables. So it is a linear equation and also it is having two variables. Let's say some such questions. Which of the following two-digit numbers when added to 27 gets reversed? Who will answer this question? Which of the following two-digit numbers when added to 27 gets reversed? Yes, Sahasra, can you answer this?
Sir, before question I wanted in the another method, sir.
You want to do 106 into 106 separately? Yes?
No, sir. We said in Vedic maths, sir, the trick plus 6 and multiplying the 6 and 6. Sir.
Yeah, you can do that. But anyhow, you're doing 106 into 106 only now. So without doing that, just by special product, a plus b into a minus b, more easily you'll get the answer. Yeah, all the Vedic maths tricks I'll take later after completion of math syllabus. Can you answer this question, Sahana?
Yes, sir. I'm doing. Sir, I'm also doing.
Mayuk, can you answer this? Mayuk?
Sir,
Yes, Mayuk.
so we have to subtract 72 minus 27.
72 minus 27. They're asking which of the following two-digit numbers, when added to 27, gets reversed. So for 27, which number you add, it gets reversed. Okay, Mayuk, even if you don't know, no problem. See, we don't know the two digits. In place of tens place, I'm taking x. Ones place, I'm taking y. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Now, what is the value of this number, Mayuk?
Sir,
What is the value of this number? If y is there in ones place and x is there in tens place, what is the value of this number?
sir, x 10, y 1.
That
Powers.
means x is there in tens place. So its place value is 10 into x, 10x, right?
Sir,
Y is there in ones place. What is its place value?
so y 1.
Y. Y into 1 is y, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
this number is added to 27. We are getting reversed. That means y goes to tens place, x goes to ones place, right?
Yes, sir.
Now what is the value of this number now, yx? Y is there in which place?
Sir, 10th place.
10 into y is 10y, and x is there in ones place. So its place
Yes, sir.
value is x into 1, x. Okay, now let us try to simplify this and we are getting any clue or not. Let's check. Okay. So what I'm doing is I'm transposing 10y to the left side. It will become minus 10y. And I'm transposing x to the left side. It will become minus x. So let's do those transpositions. 10x minus x is going to be 9x. Y minus 10y is going to be minus 9y.
Yes, okay, sir.
You are getting equal to 27. But if you want the positive answer, what you can do is, other than transposing from right to left, you can transpose from left to right also. You
Yes,
can
sir.
take 10x right and y right. So 10y minus y is going to be 9y. X minus 10x is going to be minus 9x is equal to 27, right? Now what can be taken common from the LHS?
So 9.
9 can be taken common. 9 times y minus x is equal to 27. Now, what is the duty of 9 here? Which operation?
So multiplication.
If you transpose it will?
So divide.
So y minus x is equal to 27 by 9. What is 27 by 9?
So 3.
3. That means y and x are digits and the difference between the digits is 3. So can you tell me two digits whose difference is 3?
So there are many digits.
There are?
Many digits.
Can you tell me one pair?
So 1 and 4.
You start from 0. Can you take 0 and 4?
So,
No, 0 and 4 difference is 4. I want difference 3. Can you take 0, 3?
yes, sir.
Okay. So here, y minus x should be 3. That means y is the greater number. So we can take 0, comma 3. That means 0, 3. You check 27 added to 30. What is the answer?
So 30.
27 added to 3 is 30. So 0, 3 reversed or not? 30.
Yes, sir.
So if you take x is 1, y becomes?
So 4.
Yes, 1, 4. Now you add 27 to 14. Are you getting 41 or not? That means it's also reversed or not?
Yes, sir.
If x is 2, what is y?
So 5.
Similarly, you write all the positive numbers. That is 3, 6, 4, 7, 5, 8, 6, 9. That's it. We can write up to here only. So from all these numbers possible, which is there in our options?
So 47.
47. That means option C is correct. I hope you understood, Mayuk.
Yes, sir.
So you see 47 is added to 27. The digits of 47 are reversed. Yes or
Yes,
no?
sir.
That's why 47
Yes.
is the answer. Very good. So we stop the class here and we start general knowledge. GK, next topic. I think national insignia we have completed last class and we're going to take the new topic now. Wait a second. Okay, next topic is major religions of India. So next topic is this major religions of India. Elementary awareness about founder, place of origin, religious books and important ideas. So let me be ready with my questions. All of you wait a second. Okay, all of you. First question. So this is your first question. Let me zoom it further. Yes, this is your first question. Who is the founder of Buddhism? So all of you can participate in the poll. Time up. One student gave Guru Nanak wrong answer. One student said Adi Shankaracharya wrong answer. And 18 students gave correct answer. It is Gautama Buddha, which is the correct answer. Option C, Gautama Buddha. Gautama Buddha, also known as Siddhartha Gautama, founded Buddhism in the 5th to 4th century BCE in India. He attained enlightenment under the Bodhi tree in Bodh Gaya, Bihar. Now it is in the present state of India called Bihar. Next question. Simple question. The Bhagavad Gita is a sacred text of which religion? Jainism, Hinduism, Buddhism, and Islam. Hinduism. The Bhagavad Gita is part of the Mahabharata and is one of the most important scriptures of Hinduism. It consists of a conversation between Lord Krishna and Arjuna about duty, and in Sanskrit we call karma, and righteousness, that is dharma. So all the students give the correct answers. Now next question. Which religion was founded by Guru Nanak? Buddhism, Jainism, Sikhism, and Hinduism. Time up. Two students said Hinduism, wrong answer. And 5 students said Jainism, wrong answer. 12 students gave correct answer. It is Sikhism. Sikhism was founded by Guru Nanak in the 15th century in Punjab, India. He preached equality, devotion to one God, and service to humanity. The holy book of Sikhism is the Guru Granth Sahib. So you can remember that. Next question. Again, simple question. The Holy Quran is associated with which religion? Christianity, Islam, Judaism, and Hinduism. Time up. One student gave Christianity wrong answer, and 3 students said Hinduism wrong answer. So it belongs to Islam religion. The Holy Quran is the sacred scripture of Islam. It is believed to be the word of God as revealed to Prophet Muhammad by the angel Gabriel in the 7th century CE. Next question. Jainism was founded by whom? Mahavira, Ashoka, Gautama Buddha, Kabir. Five students said Kabir wrong answer, 4 students said Gautama Buddha wrong answer, 6 students said Ashoka wrong answer, and only 6 students gave correct answer. Answer is Mahavira. Jainism was established by Lord Mahavira in the 6th century BCE. He was the 24th Tirthankara spiritual teacher and emphasized non-violence, that is ahimsa, and truth. The sacred texts of Jainism are called agamas. Next question. The Tripitaka is a sacred text of which religion? Christianity, Jainism, Buddhism, Hinduism. All of you can answer this question. Time up. 1 student said Hinduism, wrong answer. 2 students said Christianity, wrong answer. 5 students said Jainism, wrong answer. 8 students give correct answer, that is Buddhism. The Tripitaka, also known as the Three Baskets, is a collection of Buddhist scriptures containing teachings of the Buddha, monastic rules, and philosophy. Next question. Which of the following religions originated in India? Christianity, Islam, Buddhism, Judaism. Time up. 1 student said Islam, wrong answer. 2 students said Christianity, wrong answer. And 4 students said Judaism, wrong answer. Majority of the class, 13 students gave correct answer, that is Buddhism. Buddhism originated in India around the 5th to 6th century BCE with Gautama Buddha. Hinduism, Jainism, and Sikhism are also having their roots in India. Next question. Simple question. The Ramayana and Mahabharata are sacred texts of which religion? Sikhism, Hinduism, Jainism, Buddhism. One student said Sikhism, wrong answer, and everybody else gave the correct answer, that is Hinduism, option B. The Ramayana, written by Valmiki, tells the story of Lord Rama, while Mahabharata, attributed to Vyasa, describes the Kurukshetra war and includes the Bhagavad Gita. Next question. What is the main teaching of Jainism? Non-violence, worship of many gods, one god and prophet, pilgrimage to Mecca. Time up. One student said pilgrimage to Mecca, wrong answer. Three students said one god and prophet, wrong answer. Four students said worship of many gods, wrong answer. And 11 students gave correct answer, that is non-violence. Jainism promotes ahimsa, that is non-violence, as its central principle. Jains believe in non-violence towards all living beings, truthfulness, and non-possessiveness. Next question. Which of these religions believes in the concept of nirvana, that is, liberation from the cycle of rebirth? Islam, Christianity, Buddhism, Sikhism. Time up. Two students said Sikhism, wrong answer. Five students said Christianity, wrong answer. Six students said Islam, wrong answer. And only six students gave correct answer, that is Buddhism. Buddhism teaches that nirvana is the ultimate goal where one is free from suffering and the cycle of birth and rebirth, that is samsara. It is achieved through the eightfold path and meditation. Next question. The Golden Temple, a famous religious site, is associated with which religion? Buddhism, Hinduism, Jainism, Sikhism. All of you participate in the quiz. Time up. 2 students said Jainism, wrong answer. 2 students said Hinduism, wrong answer. 3 students said Buddhism, wrong answer. And majority of the class, 11 students gave correct answer. It is Sikhism. The Golden Temple, Har Mandir Sahib, is the holiest shrine of Sikhism, located in Amritsar in Punjab. It was built by Guru Arjan and is an important pilgrimage site for Sikhs. Next question. Which Indian emperor converted to Buddhism after the Kalinga War? Chandragupta Maurya, Ashoka, Harsha, Akbar. Time up. 2 students said Harsha, wrong answer. 3 students said Akbar, wrong answer. 4 students said Chandragupta Maurya, wrong answer. And 9 students gave correct answer, that is Ashoka. Ashoka is the correct answer. Emperor Ashoka of the Maurya dynasty converted to Buddhism after witnessing the destruction in the Kalinga War. He spread Buddhism across India and other parts of Asia also. Next question. Which of the following religions believes in the 5 pillars as core principles? Christianity, Islam, Hinduism, Jainism. Majority of the class gave wrong answer for this. 6 students said Jainism, wrong answer. 3 students said Hinduism, wrong answer. And 3 students said Christianity, wrong answer. So only 3 students gave correct answer. It is Islam. Islam is the correct answer. The 5 pillars of Islam include Shahada, faith; Salat, prayer; Zakat, charity; Saum, that is fasting during Ramadan; and Hajj, pilgrimage to Mecca. These 5 elements are included in Islam. And next question. Simple question. Which festival marks the birth of Lord Krishna? Diwali, Holi, Janmashtami, Navaratri. Time up. 3 students said Holi, wrong answer. And majority of the class gave correct answer. That is Janmashtami is the correct answer. 13 students gave the answer. Janmashtami is celebrated as the birth anniversary of Lord Krishna, the 8th avatar of Lord Vishnu. It is observed with fasting, singing devotional songs, and reenactments of Krishna's childhood. Next question, also simple. Which is the oldest known religion in India? Islam, Hinduism, Buddhism, Christianity. Time up. One student said Islam, wrong answer. One student said Christianity, wrong answer. 3 students said Buddhism, wrong answer. And 8 students said Hinduism, it's correct answer. Hinduism is considered one of the world's oldest religions and with origins dating back over 5,000 years. It has no single founder and is based on ancient texts like the Vedas, Upanishads, and Bhagavad Gita. Next one, simple question. What is the holy book of Christianity? Bhagavad Gita, Guru Granth Sahib, Quran, Bible. Time up. Everybody gave correct answer. 16 members gave the correct answer, Bible. The Bible is the sacred scripture of Christianity divided into the Old Testament and the New Testament. It contains the teaching of Jesus Christ. Next question. Which religion follows the teachings of the 24 Tirthankaras? Time up. 2 students said Sikhism, wrong answer. 3 gave the answer Buddhism. 10 students gave the correct answer. Jainism is correct answer. Jainism follows the teachings of 24 Tirthankaras, with Lord Mahavira being the last one. They emphasize non-violence, truth, and spiritual liberation. Next question. Who is considered the last prophet in Islam? Jesus Christ, Prophet Muhammad, Guru Nanak, Moses. Time up. Two students said Jesus Christ, wrong answer. Two students said Guru Nanak, wrong answer. Two students said Moses, wrong answer. And 9 of them gave the correct answer, Prophet Muhammad. Prophet Muhammad is believed to be the last prophet in Islam, receiving the final revelation from God, which is recorded in the Quran. Next question. What does the festival of Diwali symbolize? The birth of Buddha, the victory of good over evil, the revelation of Quran, the enlightenment of Mahavira. Time up. One student said the enlightenment of Mahavira, wrong answer. One student said the birth of Buddha, wrong answer. Two students said the revelation of Quran, wrong answer. 13 students gave the correct answer. That is the victory of good over evil. And last question from today's class. The Eightfold Path is an important concept in which religion? Christianity, Hinduism, Buddhism, and Jainism. Time up. Two students said Hinduism, wrong answer. 6 students said Jainism, wrong answer. And 8 students gave correct answer, that is Buddhism. The Eightfold Path in Buddhism includes right view, right intention, right speech, right action, right livelihood, right effort, right mindfulness, and right concentration, leading to nirvana. So Buddhism is the correct answer. So that's it from today's class, students. All of you may leave the class now.